Welcome to CHEM 105 Lab. My name is Dr. Albert Dukes. I'm going to be your lab instructor for the semester. I wanted to show you around a few things on our course's Blackboard webpage. When you click on the link, you'll be brought here, and you're going to start by seeing all of the labs listed. If you ever get lost, you can go back to the tab here that says Labs. That'll bring you back. So Lab 00 is the introductory lab. It kind of gives you an idea of how the lab kits are going to work. You should go through that, but it's not going to be one that we collect for a grade. The first graded lab is going to be the Introduction to Science. You can find the due dates for all of the labs in the course syllabus back on the lecture page. As you go through, and let's take a look and click and see what you see with one of the labs. So when you click on it, it's going to bring up some PreLab Reading for you, and you'll have the menu for that here on the left. And as you click through, you can kind of see each page. There's some videos that you may have to watch. You get through, and eventually you'll get to questions to kind of make sure that you're on track, just to see what they look like. So when you get it right, that continues. Those questions don't affect your grade. At the end of the reading, what you're going to find is some lab drill quizzes. And again, these are just to help make sure you're prepared. This is not the quiz for your grade. After you've finished this, and you could skip it really if you wanted to, you're going to get to the actual lab assignment here. Now, you need to do the pre-lab reading because that's going to help you for the quiz you will take, and we'll show you where that is here in a couple of minutes. You want to right-click over here where it says Lab Workbook. This is going to give you the Microsoft Word file that you're going to fill in. And when this comes up, just hit the download button here to download it. And you're going to see blanks in here. You'll type your answers in. And once you've finished all of the activities, be sure that you save your file, because then we're going to have to go back and actually upload it. So I'm going to go back to our other screen. We'll click on the labs to go back to our home page. And once you've finished a lab, you want to click and saved it, click the Upload Lab Reports here. And you're going to see now a list of all of your labs. And when you click on the lab, it's also going to tell you remind you of what the due date is. And you're just going to click to browse your computer to attach the file and submit it. So each lab report is going to be worth 5 points. The other 5 points for the lab are going to come from the lab quizzes. And you're going to click this link, Take Lab Quizzes here, in order to take the lab quiz. Again, you're going to need the Respondus Lockdown browser for all of these. And if you downloaded it from lecture, you're good to go. You only have to download it the one time. But each quiz is here, and the due dates for each quiz are given in the lab. And the last thing, if you need a copy of the syllabus, if you didn't get it from the lecture, click on the course information, and here's the copy of the 105 syllabus. It's exactly the same as the file you saw in the lecture course, but it has both due dates in it. So any questions that you have about how to do the lab, or if something in the pre-lab reading is not clear, I'll have office hours every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. And if you got a question outside of that time, you can always email me right here with the email Dr. Dukes link. A reminder that all quizzes and all lab reports are due by 11:59 p.m. on the due date for the lab. And so I hope everybody has a good semester. If you've got questions, feel free to get in touch with me during office hours or shoot me an email and let me know. Thanks, guys.